this video, I'll be showing you how to play Grow a Garden on Roblox, especially if you're just starting out. The core of the game revolves around planting and harvesting seeds, which come in two types, fruit plants and crop plants. Fruit plants are permanent and continue producing over time, while crops can only be harvested once and then disappear. You can buy seeds in the shop, and choosing the right ones will help your progress. Beyond planting, one key feature of the game is mutations. These can happen either naturally or through weather events. Rain gives plants the wet effect, snow adds chilled, and thunderstorms cause the shocked effect. If your plant ends up both wet and chilled, it has a chance to mutate into a frozen version. Natural mutations include normal, gold, and the rare rainbow type. Another important part of the game is gear, which works like power-ups to enhance your plants. Sprinklers increase fruit size and mutation chances over time. Lightning rods make it more likely your plants will get shocked. And watering cans speed up growth but can only be used once. There's also a tool called the Tell that doesn't boost your harvest but lets you move plants around your garden. You'll also find quests in the game that gives out seed packs as rewards. While they're not always the fastest way to earn money, they can be useful if you're collecting limited time seeds. Lastly, animals can be bought near the gear shop, and they help with your farming process too. So if you want more tips or to connect with other players, there's also an official Discord server for the game. That's everything you need to get started in Grow a Garden.